Hi there, welcome to Medha Care. So in this video, we'll discuss the question number 6 from JEE Advanced 2026, paper 1. So this is a very easy question directly from NCERT. So as you can see in the first reaction, MnO2 is reacting with concentrated HCl. We are getting MnCl2 and a greenish yellow gas. So obviously this gas will be what? This gas will be chlorine gas. Okay, so X will be chlorine. Now here we are using excess chlorine with NH3. So here why that we will get NCl3. So NCl3 will be Y. All the hydrogen will be replaced by chlorine. And then again this X chlorine is taken and it is reacting with fluorine excess. So what we get? In that case we get fluorinating agent, and also they are called interhalogen. So interhalogen Z we will get here. So that interhalogen will be ClF3. This ClF3 interhalogen we will get. Now check the options. X is used for the sterilizing drinking water. X is chlorine, and as you know, chlorine is used for sterilizing drinking water. So A option is correct. Y has a planar structure. Y NCl3. NCl3 structure is like this. NCl3 is tetrahedral, so it cannot be planar. So this one is wrong. Third option, C, Z is used in the enrichment of uranium-235. That is correct, because this one can act as fluorinating agent. So we can use that one to enrich uranium-235. That is also written there in NCERT, directly from the NCERT they are giving. And last, Y is stronger Lewis base than ammonia. So Y is NCl3 and ammonia NH3. As you know, chlorine is slightly more electronegative than nitrogen, so it will withdraw electron from nitrogen. So lone pair availability on nitrogen atom will decrease. So Y NCl3 will be less basic compared to ammonia. So they are saying Y is stronger Lewis base than ammonia. So that one is also wrong. So this one is also wrong. So correct answer for this question will be A and C. Now let us check where the answer given in NCERT. In NCERT, if you go to interhalogen part, the P block, interhalogen part, and uses of interhalogen, if you see, there you will get ClF3 and BrF3 are used for the production of UF6 in the enrichment of uranium-235. So that is from here. And the sterilizing part, that is also given. The uses of chlorine. So uses of chlorine, if you see, so in the same NCERT, same chapter, if you go in the here, if you see these uses, here it is written that in sterilizing drinking water, this chlorine is used. Okay, so this is used in sterilizing drinking water. So this is from this part of the NCERT. So this one was easy question. If you thoroughly read NCERT, then only this kind of question can be answered. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please do like and share the video with your friends, and don't forget to like the video and give your comments down in the comment box. Thank you.